Hey, this is Jake Stimson. Just really quickly going to go over Lab 5, which is where we added 3 more peripherals to our M0 AHB kind of peripheral system that we've been building up throughout the semester. So we added a timer, then we added some more GPIO functionality on top of the GPIO functionality that was, existing from Lab 2. And then we implemented some 7-segment display counter functionality that kind of builds off of that timer. And then the main 2 tasks of this lab was to implement just a basic software mask to select different bits of the GPIO, and then as well as changing the hardware side of things and updating the 7-segment display Verilog code to support decimal counting instead of just hexadecimal counting. So both of those things were relatively easy. I'll try to keep it shorter because my video was pretty long last time. But you can see it's counting decimal right now. And then the code that I'm using to implement that, this is the existing AHB 7-seg display Verilog code that came with the file. You can see the assign statements are just essentially a bunch of case statements based on the input counter. And then here we have the modified one, which is literally the same thing, but I just changed the values that are going out. So the values are obviously just decimal now. And then in terms of the software side of things for our masking, here we have the software GPIO, where we have our GPIO direction address space with the 04 ending. We set it to be an output, and then here I'm masking, right? So I have 00001111 in R4, and then we do a bitwise AND on R2, which holds our data from the GPIO. So then this prioritizes and completely gets rid of the top bits, prioritizes the bottom bit, 4 bits. So that's the masking portion of the lab, and then the 7-segment display peripheral, changing it to different type of format has been accomplished here through this Verilog portion. So just to confirm that things are working really quickly, I showed you, but I'll reset the board. You can see it is displaying the Jake that I've kind of just configured here. But yeah, I'm going to keep messing around with it, but yeah, thank you.